Common lane level crossing with Rush level crossings and trains.
Can I do a video on yours?
Okay.
There's a car
Got
on that side.
Got number 9 coming. Thank you.
Here it comes. There comes the engine.
Number 9, Pines Express. G. There it goes. See you next video. Oh, here comes Diesel. Thank you. Number 1, Amanda. Yeah. And there we go. Oh, there we go.
You got over just in time.
This crossing has a really red light sequence. It just does it really fast. Goes up. Thank you.
I actually did 10 guys.
Yeah.
Choo-choo.
There he comes. Speedy. Amanda's. Oh, hello. The alarm's actually right over there. Oh, light clicked. Oh, is he gonna wait? It doesn't look like he's gonna wait. Oh, he is. Here he comes. It's been active for long. Come on. Here it comes. Number 1, Amanda. I think the crossing's failed.
The crossings?
And if a car came, we'd have to just stop the cars from bubbling ahead.
How we stop for cars?
Well, there's nothing coming, luckily.
Amanda's
Oh
coming.
no, it's stopped.
Stop because it's probably got a stop signal on its thing, hasn't it? It's been linked up.
Come on, Amanda. You change your mind or nothing. It's not turning back on. It's actually not turning back on. It's a what? What's in a what? What's in a what?
It's failed.
The level crossing failed.
Is it going to just creep through? Check for trains.
No, normally they have to come through with the lights. So he's probably, yeah, he's going to stop.
Oh my god, we have
The signalman needs to do something, maybe in his signal box.
No, I think the driver has to, like,
Is there a sensor?
there's a activator there.
We have
Like-
to stop every car where it keep on coming through.
We would, wouldn't we?
Maybe that's why the man was there. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he was, wasn't he?
It was the level crossing.
It's alright, Amanda's not needed for ages anyway, so.
Amanda, goodbye.
Oh, you can see Alfred Tower
Toot
from here.
toot.
Oh,
You can see
yeah.
Alfred Tower from here.
Oh really?
On top of the hill. Is it? Just poking out. Oh, hello?
Yes! Go through!
Maybe he's trying to get the attention of the signal box. Look at that. Look at it wobbling like that.
It's a bit windy.
Oh, I'm a bit cold.
Okay, sorry about that. Your jacket's on, child.
Are you going on that? Oh my god.
The crossing's
I think
failed.
it's broken the level crossing. I think it's done too much high scores.
The other side isn't flashing, is it?
I've broken the whole YouTube, you remember?
Oh.
I've done too much pokey dance. Oh god. Oh.
I don't swear. That's someone's driving.
Has the crossing failed, or is the signaller just turned it off? I don't know.
Poor man.
There you are, yeah, it's doing it now.
Are you okay?
He can barely get out. The doors are so narrow.
We have to turn him back on.
He's like, I want to go back.
Crazy. Go forward though.
I don't know, maybe he's contacted. I don't know. It's gonna probably blow up now as well.
Number one.
What?
This thing's failed.
What? What do you say it's gonna blow up?
You know my video on this. Oh, he's.
I think it's.
Are you
Oh.
going to?
He is.
What about the crossing?
Breaking the rules. We can look both ways.
Oh, he's gonna have to, isn't he? Because then.
He's just checking.
There we are. Common lane level crossing is broken.
Yeah, it broke.
Oh, hello.
I'm going. It's a double-headed.
Yeah, again. Look at all that dust coming off the train.
Let's go back down to see our.
Oh, it's fixed.
Yeah, it's stuck in there.
Finally.
Can we come over to our house?
No, not
They live too far away, don't they?
Yeah. That alarm's very faulty because it used to sound very different. That alarm used to sound very different back when it was replaced. Oops.
Here we go.
Can I stay one more bit?
Wait to come back, yeah?
Can I stay
Yeah.
one more bit? On the other side.
Literally.
It scared me. It's no thing coming. I think it's a horse.
Oh, it's done it again.
Damn it.
Oh no, so the diesel's going to come in and we have to go through again.
Call it again.
And someone's making a mistake.
Oh my god.
For God's sake, why does it keep feeling?
Okay, let me film this
No,
for
come
a president.
Oh,
Maybe I reckon what might be going on.
what?
I think it.
Mark, that's vandalism. Now stop it.
I think what's happening is that
What?
they're so close together that I think the crossing thinks it's accidentally done it by mistake,
Yeah.
maybe because it's automatic. This one.
What is going on right now?
I'm back.
I think they come a bit too quickly, in my opinion. Don't know if they can get it working this time. I don't know if they can get
Work.
Right, well, if you're not looking, we're going to walk down.
What? It done it
Mark,
again.
Out the way.
This time.
it. Crossing's being very stupid right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Support it.
Yeah.
Oh no! A train's coming back.
No, don't worry. It's just doing that straight bit again. So I think.
What piece of junk?
Okay.
Can you send that to someone?
It'll eventually be on the YouTube, maybe. We were watching.
That is weird though.
Actually,
How?
we were watching you on YouTube while we were in the car.
Oh.
I can't hear
Right.
your voice.
It's weird though how wobbly they are.
I think it's not supposed to be wobbly. I think someone placed
Is
it.
it?
Amanda's driver's watching you. Now stop it. Put your hands off.
Someone placed it. Tell Amanda driver. Tell Amanda driver to come. I'm gonna tell him. Driver, stop.
Oh, stay there. You're not going past there.
I don't know what's going on.
Oh dear, yeah. Over in the southwestern mainland bit.
It's still raining.
Isn't there controls in that box? There's normally controls in that box, but I don't know if it has a key to open or not.
Hold on. Go and check Maddie.
don't know if the driver knows that or not.
Is it a different driver from earlier?
I think so, I'm not sure.
Hide it. I think that's what making it wrong.
If it was that, you'd broken it.
I hide it back
That
on.
wasn't wrong. That's broken.
No.
More people. Or is it electric? Oh no, it is actually electric.
What's going on? Driver, get out and turn those thing I don't know how.
I don't know if you've been thinking, okay? Keep them in your brain.
Can we tell them?
Isn't there controls in that box?
The driver! Is it closing our box? Oh,
It's just got this stopped actually, hasn't it?
but keep going home.
I don't think this man's going to break the rules like the other guy did.
Let's go tell him.
It's weird though, hey.
My mama called Jenny. She likes trains.
You like trains, I just have to come along for the ride.
What's your name again? Sorry.
Jenny.
Oh, my name's called my name, I mean, my mum's name's called
Is it?
Okay. I think this wire over here, driver,
No.
got disconnected from a level crossing.
We're going to end up missing the other one coming back. It's straight, aren't we?
I don't know if he knows if there's control. Because can't he just...
Don't tell him.
Well, I'm trying to, but he's not...
Don't just tell him. Don't like cross the railway. Just don't tell him. Wait, a level crossing is off. One train is coming.
It keeps failing, yeah.
Yeah. Can
And
I
if-
go over there? I
It's
can.
not the area for you.
And every time I try to contact them about it. Oh,
Here he comes.
Is he coming?
Yeah, he is coming actually.
It's red now.
there you go.
Find
The,
it.
cro-
Dad,
the crossing keeps breaking.
you see it, baby? Look, you see it? Look there.
It kept breaking for some reason. Here at Common Lane level crossing. There's massive level crossings and trains. Time is now 12:42 for your... No, not 12:42, I mean 2:42 for your 2:30 Gartel Light Railway service to Common Lane. Yeah. Thank you. Comes number 1, Amanda. And number 9G. There it goes. Okay guys, see you in the next video.